What happens when we die? And do people really give a F about us when we are gone? That's what we're going to talk about today. Death and you and your beauty business. If you don't know me, this is your boy Wick. Shut up. And how is this connected? Why in God's green earth am I talking about such a wonderful motivational topic such as death? One, we have come, therefore we must go, right? Yin, yang, up, down, light, dark, etc., etc. Ironically, and I just thought about this today because I was thinking about death, is Queen Elizabeth passed away not too long ago, right? It was like all over the news. Queen Elizabeth passed, the country mourns, world mourns, etc. Horrible, sad stuff. But ironically, I have not thought of the Queen in many weeks. And I'm not sure about you. What about yourself? When was the last time you thought about Queen Elizabeth and were saddened by it, except when it happened? And that's a queen. That is the queen of a country with a long reign and family and patriarchy and all that other good stuff, right? With you and moi, here is the reality. Once we pass, at some point, of course, our family is going to grieve. So who does it impact? It impacts the immediate family. But once, let's just say I pass, right? And if I was an esthetician, do you think my clients are going to be like, oh my God, Wick is gone. Who else can I trust to do my facials or waxing or brows or lashes? I'm not going to get them done again. They're going to be like, or are they going to be like, oh shit, he's gone. I need to find somebody new, right? And it's an unfortunate reality. Are people going to sympathize and be sad? Yeah, but then life goes on. And this is the reality. After somebody passes, again, whether it be weeks or a month, life goes on, right? Life goes on, except of the immediate family that's hurt by it, by the immediate family, right? Other than that, life goes on. And the reality is people are not even going to think about you. Just like I have not thought of the Queen, just like I have not thought of a lot of people that passed away. It says out of sight, out of mind. I'm focusing on what's going on in my life, the good, the bad, the ugly, the in-between. And the reason I'm talking about this is people will forget about you. People will not think about you weeks after your passing, just within a matter of weeks. So do you really care what those people think in general? Do you really care if you die, which to me is like the ultimate thing that can be bad, and people are going to forget about you in 2 weeks? Do you care about their opinion? Do you care about what they think of you? I would hope that you would say no, because dude, these people are going to forget about you. Why should I care what they think? Of course you care about your mama, your papa, your spouse, your kids, your significance, and of course care about them. But everybody else, do you really care? Should you really care, I guess is a better way to phrase it. And I'm hoping you say no. And how does this tie in with aesthetics? It ties in like this. If these people are going to immediately forget about you after the most horrible thing happens, your death, they're going to start looking for another service provider because their life must go on, and you shouldn't care what they think. So if that is true, I want you to don't wait for your death to happen to not care what people think. Do not wait for that time, that moment, 20, 50, 100 years from now, whatever, about people not caring about you for you to realize, wait a minute, why was I tripping and worried about what people are going to say about me? Why was I tripping? Why was I worried about doing videos and thinking people are going to judge me? What people? The people that'll forget about you the minute you go? You're going to trip and be self-conscious of yourself and your business based on people that can give two F's about you and more than likely are not even paying attention to you in the first place. And the reason I'm putting such a big emphasis on this, the number one, I truly, truly believe this with my heart, and I wish I can just open your brains, open it, and pour this in like some hot sauce, don't get lost in the sauce. Don't get lost in the sauce of this world. The real sauce is this. So much of our time, we worry what people think, only to finally realize they were never thinking of us in the first place. Listen to those words. So much of my life, my time, my energy, I was focusing on what people would think of me, or what are they thinking, or how are they going to judge me on this video or this post or this or that. When in reality, they were too busy in their own world to even pay attention to moi. And the reason I'm putting so much emphasis is this: if people will forget about you minutes, weeks after you pass, and you shouldn't care what they think about you, let's bring that thought into reality. Go, hey, when I die, these people are going to forget about me. They're going to move on to another service provider or whatever. So I shouldn't care about them. Let me do what I can do now while I'm still alive. How can you unapologetically post, promote, pick up some cash while you're alive by having this kind of attitude, this mental shift? Whoa, right? This mental shift by not waiting till you die to have the cojones, the balls, the ovaries, if you must, to do this and have that thought and belief now. Because if you just promote yourself more, you post a little bit more, you show yourself a little bit more, you talk about your passions and how you're able to serve the community, based on your lashes and waxes and sugaring and brows and skincare and body contouring, etc. You do that now. Don't care what people think now, because they're not going to care after you freaking go. Why wait to get confidence and promote yourself, later in life, when you can just go, wait a minute, these people don't care about me. These people, when I go, they're going to immediately jump ship and find another service provider. I heard this someplace else. They go, the minute if an employee of a company dies, do you think that slot, their job, is going to remain vacant? No, freaking immediately they're going to find somebody to replace, because the life must go on, the business must go on, that cog in that machine must be quickly replaced for it to continue cogging. Is that a word, cogging? It is now, freaking, for it to be go cogging. So death happens. And we realize, again, just like that, I haven't been thinking about the Queen, or I can't even think of anybody else that recently passed that I haven't thought of, because I just haven't thought of them. And we just realize that that's going to happen. And these people, the world's going to forget about it, and the world's going to go on. Have that philosophy of saying, these people are going to not care once I go. Why should I care what they even think? And take that thought and bring it into the present. Don't wait till you die. It's no good then. I don't know. I don't think so. I don't know if that's any good in the afterlife, right? I don't know. But you get that philosophy now for your business, so you can make money now, so you can take advantage of it now, so you can promote yourself now, so you can benefit and give yourself, your family, the life that you and they deserve. Oh, I wish there was more space here. I would do the worm. If y'all know what breakdancing is, do the worm, just like, right? Poof. So hopefully that's of value to you. It's a philosophy that I'm learning more as I talk and meet to people. Nothing is more of a reminder to live than speaking to somebody that has lost somebody. Those little reminders, and to also remember to care less what people think, because there is a one body per coffin rule. I think that's the rule. I don't know, but I don't know. I don't think see people shoving multiple people's in coffin. I don't know. I think it was so you came alone, you're gonna go alone. This, that, the other, whatever it is, whatever makes you mentally aware that you should not care what people think. If I cared so much what people thought, I would never even be where I am now. I would be someplace else. What I got, can't argue with that logic, right? So again, understand that those people that will easily replace you when you are no longer here don't care what they think. Care about you, about doing your best, about working, about providing value, about sharing your passions, your knowledge of the aesthetics industry, and then you will be so surprised of how easy money be dropping down like freaking these hurricanes in Florida. Oh, I'm in Cali. Cali, West Side. All right. Be amazing because it pays so well. Be confident in yourself. Give 2 Fs. You're allowed to give 2 Fs to what people think. Go that person 1 F, the other person 2 F, and then get to it. Cool. Peace.